Hi guys, welcome back with me again to this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find and use the vintage Dream Avenue phone in Canva. So in here I have my vintage design, and I'm going to just add the tags. Okay, I'm going to just add this text right here. And to easily find and then use the Dream Avenue phone into this text, you can just click on a text and choose phone at the bottom. Then here type in Dream Avenue in the keyword. Okay, you can see this is the phone. Just click on the phone, and just like that the text phone will be changed into this vintage Dream Avenue. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to comment, subscribe, click on the thanks, and click on the thumbs up icon. Bye.